This video will show you how to replace the digital display in your Champion 11,000 watt inverter. Before beginning, remove the rear panel and disconnect the spark plug cap. Then use a Phillips head to remove the battery access panel and disconnect the battery. For easier access, you can remove the handle using a 10mm and 13mm wrench. Step 1. Use an 8mm socket to remove the 8 bolts around the front panel. Remove the Phillips screw behind the recoil handle, then fit the handle through the hole in the panel and pull the panel down and out of the way as far as you can. Step 2. Locate the 2 silver bolts holding on the power panel, one on top and one on the bottom, and remove them with a 10mm socket. Remove the small nuts and washers in the corners of the back side of the power panel with a 7mm socket. With the nuts and washers removed, you can separate the power panel and housing to access the digital display. Step 3. The digital display may be glued in place. If so, use a small blade to scrape off any glue on all sides. Then disconnect the 3 wire connectors on the back of the display and depress the clips on either side to remove the display through the front of the panel. Step 4. Set the new display into the panel until it snaps into place, and then replace the 3 wire connectors. Now reverse these steps to reassemble your unit. Realign the power panel and the housing, and replace and tighten the 4 washers and nuts. Then set the panel back in place and replace the 2 bolts on the top and bottom of the panel. Make sure that the battery lead is in place, and pull the recoil handle through the hole in the panel and reattach the Phillips screw. Then set the front panel back in place and fasten the 8 bolts around the sides. And if you detach the handle, replace the handle on the front of the unit. Lastly, reconnect the battery and spark plug cap and replace both access covers. Your digital display replacement is complete. Always follow the safety guidelines in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.